Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you for checking out the channel. If you like cool trucks, fast cars, beautiful women, smoky burnouts, and you don't get offended easily, go ahead and like and subscribe because you're in the right place. So today we're going to look at this cool 1955 Chevrolet pickup. Got a 5.3 liter LS with a 4L60E transmission, old school style with modern day power. Truck's owned by my cousin Big Sissy. I call him Big Sissy because that's what he is. So check it out. At the end we're going to have a little burnout. Tell you real quick a little bit about the truck. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes, a lot of upgrades on it. Camaro subframe, rear end, new wood bed. Gas tank's been relocated. It's a really cool truck. No rust through. It's all just pitted, deep rust. It's nice, a solid truck.
Pop the hood. And
That's mine right there. Alright everybody, y'all listen now and see if you can hear him when he hits second gear. It makes this crazy cool sound. I'm gonna do a little burnout right quick. Check it out. Did you hear it? Yep, me neither.